Do you have a pod with us? Here's how to set it up. Setting up your pod is quick and simple. Just make sure you have your pod and phone on you. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to go in no time. The first step is to download the Admiral app to your phone. Your pod won't work without it. Then, register the app. Use your My Account details to log in. Request a one-time passcode. We'll email you a 6-digit code to use to sign in. Create a PIN to securely sign in. Once you're in, you can set up your pod. To link your pod, find the pod in your app, then tap the Let's Get You Set Up button. Make sure you have your Bluetooth and location services enabled on your phone. Once you're connected, you can link your pod to your phone. Hold your pod close to your phone. Tap the Link Your Pod button. Now press the button on your pod. The red light should show. Your pod and app are now linked. Next, you need to position the pod in your car. To do this, peel the tape off the back of the pod. Attach it to the inside of your car windscreen, behind your mirror. Once it's securely attached, you're good to go. What happens next? We'll show you your first score as soon as it's available. We'll update your score every week in the app. Turn on your notifications and we'll let you know when your first trip is ready to review. Need more help? Head to our website for more help and advice with your pod.